Some people, I have 2 live for share with you now. I have one with Ivany at Done Destiny seeing again, cause there's an ongoing back and forth with Ivany and Destiny. You see me I say? So Ivany respond to Destiny and deal with him wicked. You see me I say? At the moment right now, Destiny him not really have a apartment like that. He must stay at a hotel. But me not lie, a long time Destiny at the hotel and he must have him money up. So me not think of the money why him not have an apartment. You see me I say? But me not lie, Ivany come for him wicked and rob him. You see it. The next thing me I go share with you people, a Pretty than Mada. Pretty than Mada get caught on a video. She go pull up on Pretty than wife. You see me I say? She go pull up on Pretty than soon to be ex-wife. So a bag of things. So Momo get the file. Momo even get a paragraph with the wife right and something. So that are the breaking news with people. So we are going to jump in with Ivany have to say about Destiny. Then we go over to Momo. You know what I mean? I expose Pretty than and her mother. You see it? So make we kick it off with Ivany.
You do have a second bathroom. Sure, when you're dining, you do have one. Look at how me ever argue. You don't have nothing to set me in a company. You don't have nothing. So me you can't go down the road of arguing, Lucky. Cause you have kitchen, you know. Me see you with bowl and yam food out there. Lucky, me see you with bowl last night and yam food out a bowl. Me see you. Me see you with a bowl and me see you with a fork. Whether as class you get food from for cook put in a bowl and use a fork. And a plastic fork you did have. And a plastic fork. And then a plastic bowl so you have kitchen. So show me your kitchen. And me see like you sleep on a piece of bed. Show. If your bed you don't got no bed, right? What? If your bed don't got no bed, baby boy, you asleep on table. Yay! And if you still a walk and wanna see cause your life unstable, me not take chat from no boy. I mean not take chat from no fish neither. Straight up. Walmart bed, nice and comfortable, and this is a king size Walmart bed. Look, you see if my bed feel me. The sofa will put me up. Look, you see if the sofa feel me. My table will put me up. Because I just put blood clot thick blanket on it. And you see if the table feel me, Lucky. The countertop can put me up. Right, so. Look, you see if this put me on feel me. Still have a grown can't sleep. You don't even know where you stand up and can look like you have no grown spot there. You don't look like you have no grown spot there. You kick up in a which spot you live. You can't move around. All in them must think. I can go in the ice room and extend him crib and sleep night. Where you live in a think. You more think it up. You more think up which way you live. In the frowns, man. Anytime look at the live, look for. Alright, watch this. The first thing you see, I want white. Look him out of when name chlamydia. Look him out of infection. We'll go show you. If you ever always slim, slim and ugly, such a not girl lucky. You look like the filter. This you look like. Screenshot it. In fixing face. Look, you look like that filter you right now. I'm going to show you. Do make me find the filter.
You never know some people laugh wicked below. And you even laugh, you laugh off of your baby. You laugh when you say it. You literally laugh when you say it.
So the filter there.
You laugh when you say it. How can you speak those stuff over your baby? Why would I do that?
I'm going to do that one.
Because I would never do such a thing. Why would I say that?
So I guess they must say, you know what I mean, Destiny said he would have one water Ivany's son, and you know what I mean, cause no bring nothing good, my people. You see it, and this back and forth with Ivany and Destiny is just another one, because them been back and forth for a couple months now. You see me? Me think say boy, Destiny, him still would have loved to have Ivany friendship. You see me? But Ivany cut him off, and that kinda, you know what I mean, have him away. Because remember, you know, Destiny really have no family which part him there and them something there, you know. You see it, and him and them not really link like that, so all him really have certain way are the people them online where him link with. But may I tell you what kinda feel him downfall in our way. Him have a temper. You see me I say, and any minute him temper can flare up and him and people go at it. You understand me I say? And that happened to him and Ivany, because them did good. And I guess him flare up couple times for Ivany. And one at a time Ivany just diss him back and cut him off. You see me? And that caused everything was going, you know. You see me I say? So we could just watch some more people.
Say it already, me say if you come near more the show time, party with shit and that mess. Me say if you come near all this, I don't want to make a video for you, no. Move your dirty blood. Oh, I said big, but then I come to about, oh, I'm going to text the father, because the father and me is friend. Look at them, don't like you. That I want him to show, but they don't like you. You see, girl will come and live about but she's no freaking cousin, clothes chaser, that she's a friend. Go on Destiny edges.
Tell us something. You see where you are plan? Got a wipe.
Destiny and them too much batty, that's why you take their leans in here. Look where you take them.
Better than that girl. While you are plan against me, got a wipe. Watch God work.
That chain that can't choke him, man. Nobody in the house can hold up a chain and choke him, man. Over there. Everything pan him lean, him body lean, but I want to. Hey, me come off and look in him. Nah, make TikTok black me tonight. Me nah make you make TikTok. Everything lean, boy. You lean. Everything lean, boy. I don't know I'm going to call cheese for cheese send me. Look if I make one video for you tonight to see. Oh, I bet I never come back on the media. Alright. 1, 2, 3. When he in a video, where video, a WhatsApp group called Telewa. What a group called Telegram. When he in the group, what's it called Telegram, and disrespect ice. And I talk about this and the handicap and them something they know God wicked. And that with them now. When them tell me things for hurt me, I'ma turn it around and joke it out, it burn them, it lick them chip. Cause when he text me, I go tell me, say, him a go come effort ice batty. He did expect me to come on the media ball. Or you did expect me to reply to you and get upset and all up in my feeling. But tell her, say, yes, come and eat it out. Come and F it out if you want to have my address, come. So true, me tell you that now. It'll lick your chip now you're over there talk about, oh, God no sleep. You hear your laughing for your baby? Yes, a wicked. Where did you want me to say? Where do you want me to say? Where do you want me to cry? Until I say, oh no, yes, him text me. Boy, my God, memory about the message him. Never say not him. I hear when the person text people. When you hear about calling people apartment complex, who are the first person come to your mind? Not even me cuss people and tell them say I go and call this part them live. Me want to tell you about your pitney. If you hear a man come on live and say, I'm not bad to bad people know up on the media. If a man come on the media and say, boy, you know someone fake page text me and this up my pitney them. What first thing come to your mind when them all say, I will not me them and say I me. If me and somebody in a something and them come live and say one fake page text them and I talk about them pitney, them all say I'm me. All when I meet them I go say I'm me because I made them know about of course people pitney. But when they come on to talking about me, I go call the apartment complex. I go make the apartment complex put you out and them thing there. All okay. All a black.
One thing me have to say still, you know, Ivany, you just say have selective memory. You understand? Because she has said she never would have ever give out, she would have never ever call somebody apartment and them something there and way. It come like say she do so much things till she not really remember the stuff them what she do. Remember say you call Lady P work and make Lady P lose her job. You see me I say, so that even you would have say worse than the baby whatever cause somebody survival, you know what I mean, that yeah mess up because she not foreign at that and you have to pay bills, and if you not work and pay bills, if you not work you go pay bills. So when you go say you not go call nobody Yaad or get them put out of them place, and them remember say you call Lady P job. You know what I mean? So that are the same thing like if you call somebody Yaad. So she have selective memory when it come to where I say taking blame for what she do. You know what I mean? So you can't I try shame Destiny. Say Destiny do all of these things. You know what I mean? What about you? You and Destiny practically are the same thing. That wanna tell me if I lie, me I tell people because I don't want to feel like say me I talk bad. You know what I mean? Tell me if I lie, me I tell. Ivany and Destiny are practically the same thing. You know what I mean? You would say I just wed here. Destiny start talk about people picnic, and that is so wrong. You know what I mean? But Ivany been a talk about people picnic. Talk all different type of things about them and them something there. You see me I say? So she can put Destiny in a bad light for Destiny look bad. Say Destiny we call people apartment and call people job and them something. Remember say you call Lady P job same way. You know me I say me no know what prompt her or what trigger her or you know what I mean whatever make she call Lady P job. But me not feel like say it did justify because Lady P maybe I call up her name or whatever. You know what I mean? For call Lady P job and make she lose her work. You know what I mean? But yeah, and Destiny are practically same. You know what I mean? The only difference is that him a man and a woman. You see me?
Lucky. First thing first, I can't even post the number right there so. I can't even post the number right there so because we don't want TikTok, we'll call out the number. The number, I don't even know which area code this. Atlanta I live, so I can't text myself. Atlanta I live. Atlanta number start with 470. This number is 19148109359. That other number, the number area code is 914. I don't even know which area code that. 914810939. That other kid number. Me have time I text back myself. Me have time I text back myself. What me I text myself say? I have two phone. Me have with two number. One of my phone is a Jamaican number. That I have on it. My Jamaican number on Instagram. But my business number and family number right now. So almost the whole world have right now. But the rest, me have time I text myself and this myself. For what? Just come tell them this one number text me. What did I do for me?
Let's say Mary had a little lamb.
What did I do for me?
Mary had a
Eh?
little lamb.
him have number up. Him have it. Him have it. And he make me even know about number up. Zay look like he use and I call on my phone too. I have to go and call him and can't stop me. I will if a number text me. And the other rest of the number them will text me. Like people from TikTok and Instagram, when the girl put out my number, people will text me and call me.
And everywhere that Mary went,
or Destiny text me. I try the phone and my family that show you the rest of them. Him text me here after him number them. Him do it. Me I should as well just take it. Me can make Lucky weak for my attention. Look how much time him come for me and I don't look. I be a content me use and put up. Me I show him so me can answer him and his followers still now move. Your followers still now move. So when you try hunt down, you can't get it off of me, my love. Nobody now follow you. Nobody now look for you. You look a bit sad. And you text me. I'm still away for you call the apartment complex and then tell me if you left because you have so much power. You're mighty. You're mighty and you have the power. Can't make anybody put me out in a miracle. So call him.
Something like a horse.
Me never know if the number is a text number because me never call it. Me just reply back to it with me a laughing emoji.
Where's my daddy?
You know, say I sprayed at him something, huh? All the teddy bear something more light up. One night, me I walk him.
Yeah.
I'm turn on the teddy bear thing and he frightened.
Climb the fence. Daddy also starts with a letter.
Now look, you can't make me go do because my apartment complex is so secure. I want me to go walk my dog right now.
Good job.
Louis! Walk me an ice on Louis, I go walk right now.
He's got a phone.
You don't have no links. Yeah, only Batman missing have no farmer links. If you look at Batman have them 1 and 2 links, you don't have no links. You don't have no name links, Lucky. You don't even have a link to a website, much less real link in a real life.
People I want to link them big and think like shh. You know what I mean? Me always hear, me feel, on a level still my people, me feel like say, Destiny is kind of obsessed with Ivany. You know what I mean? Him obsessed with Ivany. Look pan, say, Lady P and Ivany. Lady P we come on the internet a few times and you know what I mean, this Ivany or whatever, but me feel like say Destiny him go to the extreme. Maybe just get Ivany attention. You know what I mean? Boy, me don't know people. Me don't know. This look like obsession to me. More want to tell me what I think. If I hate Ivany that much, why him go through so much length for, you know what I mean, this her, text her, phone and all these things. You know what I mean? Only make me know if I obsession or I hate. You know what I mean? That more I know. You see me? Because no, somebody can depend on somebody's skin so much. Although Ivany a troublemaker too. I don't know if Ivany a trouble him under the quiet or what. You see me? But me not lie. Destiny obsessed with Ivany. That's my point of view. Only tell me what I think if I hate her obsession.
Yes, one of no name links. Yay! Boy, you can't send no man in my right now. I can't call. And furthermore, the amount of police live over my apartment complex. Come now, send the people them. Don't do all the security them. The man only just security. The people them are police too. breaks, yeah. And I can't sleep out that door. The only thing that probably attack me is a wild animal. How am I gonna get in? I must be a wild animal that gonna attack me. Nothing else. It's nobody a risk them life for you. It's nobody gonna get locked up for you. Boy, you have links. We have 2 man, we are going to beat up your blood. You have man at Jamaica, Canada, England, Switzerland, Alaska, Africa, Ghana. You have man everywhere to kick up somebody up till today. Damn, I can't listen nobody get kick up.
I train up people, everybody destiny and them in a problem in a destiny. I go send man go kick them up, you know. America, Jamaica, all both.
No, sir. You have man everywhere for kick up somebody, and I know me can't hear or see so nobody get kicked up.
Reality. Yeah,
you wish. You don't wish. I'm fine. 1, 2, 3. Bye. Come back another. When we did their blood clot and Waterloo, we get shot today and turn on my live the next day and supposed to not call on the car show. Go on. You can't believe that? We get shot today and the next day, I turn on my live and tell the man so they need to go learn how to fire gunshot.
Yeah.
So who is you now? We don't want to shot fire out of your body wall. Where you walk a shot, man. Man, if I pull up, I mean, you want afraid of you must be mad. And when a man fight a gun at me, hey, me go tell about your mama. That me I tell her. Small girl, look afraid of you, you know. Nobody will live over Switzerland. Before we live over Switzerland, we live in Jamaica. Me? I don't live out of the place that I love. Before we go to Switzerland, we stay in Jamaica. You're rolling over Switzerland. You're rolling. You can't even speak the people their language. I bet you go to Colombia to live. So you're supposed to know too little Spanish. You can't even speak Jamaican, you can't even speak English, you can't even pronounce 1 or 2 words good. My name is recorder. Who give a fuck about record? Nobody cares. What's there to record about? If you look, it's me have a son coming. I make a record out in my butt. You know for record me? Yes! Yes! Because I'm a arena. Oh no. Yes! Record me. Who the fuck sit on social media and talk but scared that somebody recorded? When me talk public, so why me I go scared that record? How you want to catch me up? Catch me up. I know when they use it.
Why people? Ivany. But I like still. Ivany. I do. You would have said better than Destiny certain way. You know what I mean? So I don't know if I that kind of red Destiny eye and him jealous over because enough people see like the pattern in a Destiny behaviors which in whenever Ivany make a move him want to make a move too. Yes, what I say? Because when Ivany did a look our new apartment, him a look apartment also. Every move Ivany a make, him want to make move. That's when them used to be friends, you know. Yes, what I say? So people always I say Destiny a compete with Ivany, him jealous of Ivany and them something there. You know what I mean? But me feel like saying they like the dump with Ivany dump him friendship and that really get to him because I never know say she would have just cut him off so. You know what I mean? But let me know if you don't feel like saying jealous of Ivany, if him obsessed with Ivany, or I just hate him, hate her. You see me? So make watch some more and then we go over to Momo Exp0Se Pretti and him mother.
Them a report the live. Let's see how best them can take it down. One police car there, so make sure you count them, you know. You see that one there? How much that you see? One. We could go see how much more we go see around here. Where you go? Me I take a walk in a nice clean apartment complex. Oh, I want to choke you now. You're going to see me now. You're too coward, man. Look, you can't do this and beat me. What I can show you, you don't have none fuck shop. And you can't dispose the people them fuck shop. So if me ever know which for you there, I call them and tell them see you two man and you hide out over there, make them tell you to leave.
Remember, Ivany just said she not give out people location and call them place and sit, you know. And you hear when you say look a while, make go watch some more.
Oi. The what? What? Ice piercing are better. Yeah, them in piercing get better. What you want do normally out of the cold, you know? I'm going to check my mail and see if I have the mail up there. Lucky car, I don't know what I do. Let me see if you go walk up in a car like a madman. Lucky don't have no family, lucky sad. Lucky mother hate him. I want an apartment, but I don't live in an apartment. Sometimes I wonder how they light money go because one of the apartment them were empty lighting at them. So just have a light them just on so. What if you light bill? Lucky Louis, see your friend there. Louis, see your friend there. Say hi. You carry Louis? Louis, I will have peace. Come, Louis. Louis, walk up here, so come. Come. You're crazy. Lucky wish him could have lived life for me I live. Only time Lucky see place like these, I win him. One night him have to spend 1 day. Him can't spend a life I go freeze car out of somebody. Well, if my life keep a freeze, go on and come back or wait for me for it to reach up on me heart. Look at one of them packages have to be mine. Let me see if none of them have another one. Nope. I'm right here. What's report somebody live there? I must feel like say me I wait for you. Look, you can't come over my apartment complex, come do nothing. The police will hold you and deport you. Alright, good night. Excuse me, can I ask you a question? You live over here? Okay. If I have somebody that's like in a different country that, you know, send threaten to my baby, talk about effing his ass and those things. How is it? Can you report it and something? Can you report it and something and those things? How is it? Can you report it and something? You report it and something. Look, you're obsessed. I won't put the key. Look, you're obsessed.
So the live did jump on and off, is it? Because I guess the reception did bad or something. So she asked the police if, you know what I mean, on the ear where she asked the police, right? So I tell her, say, yes, you can, you know what I mean, report it or whatever. You see, but if the person are really over there, it don't really make no sense or whatever, but you can. You see what I say? So we just watch some more and then we go over to Momo thing.
I don't know. Maybe a smarty setting for me. Alright, well I block you. Come here, just forget a block. Alright, well I block. Block. Guys, I don't have to argue with them. As them comment me, I get rid of them. You don't have to argue with them.
Front door.
Before when me wait for court date and all, I can't get none. I fed up and get tired of it. Court case look like it dash out. Lucky, close the door, Lucky. Lucky, do this and beat me, Lucky.
Front door.
Lucky, do that and beat me, Lucky. Do that and beat me. You don't have a home. Shop. You don't have a home. You get blocked.
Alright, some people, so enough of this, you know. We are going to jump in at the Momo Exp0Se Pretti and Pretti Mada. Alright, so we are going to kick it off, you know, people. The screen, it a go blank, it a go dark, you know what I mean? Because she did in at the dark, I talk about the things. But then I go see the rush of Pretti did a, you know what I mean, go over our wife Yaad. You know what I mean? And I go see that and see some but for the most part it a go dark because I in the night and she, you know what I mean, never turn on a light in her car.
I do not hate her, but I do wish she gets the help she truly needs. I told you, Camille, bro, and she like loves this girl, bro. She never addresses nothing. Wow. Want to be left alone and asked numerous times. I do not hate her, but I do wish she gets the help she truly needs, as well as whatever kind of love she's searching for. But I refuse to live a toxic lifestyle behind closed doors while she parades me around like she loves me. Just yesterday, she admitted to only being with me for her green card.
Me personally not feel so still.
Yeah.
Me personally not really feel
Hear this blood clots, yeah. Well, I know, man. This have a screenshot. This sorry. Bugger, take it off everything. Hold on. No, come on, make me read. No, me I put in my work. Hear this blood clots. Pretti down. Make sure you have your notebook here. Make sure you have your notebook. I work like with you. I work like how you work Pretti down with your notebook. But the people them a send me the things on the phone when me dip on the live. You know when me did have my podcast, I saw me feel on the live. We do everything on the live. So at Bugger TV, look here. Ask Pretti done. I want the one name was Jeffrey and Jeffrey. I don't know, send me a marketer, you know. I want Jeffrey them. Oh, this go. Hold on. And matter of fact, let me go back to edit. Oh my God, edit. Hold on. Remember, say me slow, guys. Hold on. Remember, I'm slow. Remember, guys, remember, say me slow. Behave on yourself. Hold on. I forgot the real. Yeah. Cause I love say people that look close, you know. Pretty Dan. I think Jeffrey need this. He need to talk to you questions about this. Cause you still a war with them. And them something there. So Jeffrey need to see this Pretty Dan. Hey niggas maybe. Jeffrey them need to see this cause you and them a war Pretty Dan. So I gotta tag them into here. Let me see. This card. Oh, wanna make. No, I think my. Wanna have to wait. I have dealt with her manipulation for a long time, and this is just another tactic to create a narrative because I was adamant that we could not work things out. And I truly just want to be left alone. I asked numerous times. I do not hate her, but I do wish she gets the help she truly needs, as well as whatever kind love she's searching for. But I refuse to live a toxic lifestyle behind closed doors while she parades me around like she loved me. Just yesterday, she admitted to only being with me for a green card. And whether it's true or a lie, love don't make you hurt people. Oh my fucking God. Pretty Dan, you have to go down. Pretty Dan Camila, my cousin now, you have to blood clot go down. That's what I'm telling you. You say, uno bomba wall, when everybody blood clot business. You say, uno dirty, stinking, big push stretch out. Bout them enough man, but one man fuck out them STUD hole, yeah? With an ABC gender. Wow, you should have tell Camille to get a big blood clot 15-inch for come fuck out your wall. If a body you did one, then you it seem like the girl want blood clot hood. Pretty Dan, you have to go down. You have to go down. You're rude. You know everybody business while your wife in the yard blood clot and happy Pretty Dan. Eh? No, it's like
People, there's no question about Pretty Dan loving our wife. No question. Everybody on social media supposed to know, say, yo, Pretty Dan adore, Pretty Dan cherish, Pretty Dan love that the woman the more than he love himself to us. Me I tell you no, big woman thing. You know what I mean? But me don't know what cause the problem in the relationship. A long time the relationship toxic. You see me I say? Long time the relationship toxic. Me don't know if no found remember this. When Pretty Dan and Earl Dog used to par, used to talk, you know what I mean? This about maybe a couple years back. You see me? One day Pretty Dan run a Earl Dog Yaad, you know. And them are going with themselves. So Pretty Dan wife must drop him off run a Earl Dog Yaad and fi come pick him up back. See? The wife must come pick up Pretty Dan, you know. But it's like she did feel say Pretty Dan for outside and wait upon her. And when she come, it's like Pretty Dan never outside. So it look like say she just come, stop and wait maybe a minute or even lesser than that and then just drive away. See, me don't know if a Earl Dog or one of the youth them in the yard must see what happen and tell Earl Dog or a Earl Dog see it and go tell Pretty Dan say, yo, your wife just pull up a while ago, you know, and she a cuss. And she said she now wait upon you, you better walk, come home or something like that and drive away. Pretty Dan get furious, Pretty Dan get mad. Reach round him yard, me don't remember if none of them drop him around there or whatever. Pretty than grown at the yard go mash up the whole of the place. Because you know say you can't really put on hand on people like oh no do at Jamaica in America a different thing that you see me. Pretty than grown they go mash up the whole of the place. And then relax then tell him say a joke them and make nothing no go so. Pretty than ball upon the live. You know what I mean? I don't know if that did make him a real dog stop deal or what. Because him cuss real dog bad upon the live and whatever, you know. But that was all in fun and games. You see me I say? Because me personally, nobody could have come tell me say my woman or my wife say such thing. And me just grow on there and I say nothing to her and just mash up the place. That means that the relationship did very toxic. Very toxic. You see me I say, because if somebody ever tell you that and you believe, that means okay, that's something where she would have normally do then. You know what I mean? So you come like say the wife treat Pretty than, you know what I mean, like nothing or you that's it. You see me I say she don't come on the media or nothing like that. But you know them Yankee girl, them bare face, you know, and disrespectful, you know. So it look like say the relationship toxic from morning. You understand me I say? So I guess them reach the limit, you know, it gone overboard and she decides that she a go cut. People been I say the woman have different man and really me no know cause the woman look damn good still, you know, people. Me not lie, you know. The woman look damn good. So the woman right now have somebody live with. So I'm gonna make you know what some more. I'm not gonna talk everything.
You see this paragraph? And then you go on social media and make it seem as if you guys ended up on good terms. This is y'all can't keep hurting people. And that's it. I said from the other day, you've been dragging it across the fucking board. I mean, I watch you. I'm going to say you go hard like you want somebody lick you down or hurt you a certain way so you can feel pain physically. But this makes sense. Because you see when you have a good person in your corner, someone that loves you and accepts you for who you are, and you know you're never going to get access to that again, that shit has to drive you insane. So I was told to read this. It was sent to me and I'm going to read it out loud. And I will post it. Because I don't know nobody said me say nothing. But and then you have the nerve. No, I April Fools, but me don't know, and am I April Fools this? You have the nerve to go on a live and say out loud that you and her ended on good terms. You didn't think you were gonna trigger her? The person that never speaks.
No star.
I'm trying to add you, Candy. It's not adding you. Or Nicola.
Pretty than love him.
You
Love
drag people all the time, Pretty Dan.
Pretty than love
While
her
your
wife.
household was fucking crumbling. And this what the people them send me. Never start over because Baga TV wasn't here. That is my workplace. You're not everybody business. This is your mother.
Alright, see it up, people.
It's your mother. This is your wife posted this.
So I own the wife, yeah, that you know, people.
Your wife
Look
posted
like
this
say,
while you're online
I'm
saying,
better that, Pretty than
you
better
guys,
that. Or somebody.
you guys ended on good terms and you guys are divorced. She clearly wrote, because I'm going to read now, soon to be ex-wife. And you're still lying. No, you come out and talk when you talk everybody blood clot business. I'm done. Can't call you pretty. You love call me ugly, and two are with my ugly different from your blood clot ugly. Because your ugly set up differently. At least if me it's supposed to pass as a man, me have to go pass as a chance blood clot man. We just up as girl, cute and blood clot girly. But you chat everybody business. Why you don't come out and talk, mama? That's your this. So I was asked to read. Hold on, because I know some have ADHD. Hold on, don't choose different. I said. And you me put up my picture up here. You put up my picture up here on Instagram shot. Oh, you see me? Here it go. So I'm gonna read it again. Soon to be ex-wife. Oh, I'm trying to cut this shit off. Why not cut off? Stop sharing. Soon to be ex-wife. Look at this shit. You could tell this is a hurt person while you on the line trying to have a facade. You know what, bun me? When them a say about, oh, she probably left for big, hear you. Oh, me no know call 9 months now. You know that girl don't want no blood clot. You know that girl don't want a blood clot. Oh no, me and a divorce 9 months now, so that's all go on. That's all go on. You know said that girl don't want. You're too rude. Remember say you talk about Thumper all the run one day I say, come here fuck tell me yes. I must teach you but if me didn't know I would have tell come here for go get the double side long blood clot one in your mouth and one in your hole. Cause you chat too blood clot much. That's why you terrorize everybody. Me tired for tell you, say, the other day when you rub me say, make you do your work. But you got dead man settings. So now you have to deal with a little pestilence. Just like how you know people business me and I your road to them. You pointed to this blood clot too. Cause hey, right now I don't know who ate you know. But them make them a send me the thing, them mama. I mean I work. You have notepad, me do everything.
Boy, Momo, I got to ask still enough people. You know what I mean? And yeah, what she say Pretty Dan rub her over there. So she a come back for Pretty Dan because of the whole Dewey situation with she. You know what I mean? So Pretty Dan rub him. So she a expose Pretty Dan, you know. You understand? And everything is fear and I love and war them say. You see me? But upon a level people as me say, Pretty Dan love him wife. Me don't know what cause the problem in the relationship, but people that speculate and say boy the woman, you know what I mean, have other man or woman. You see me? And Mada say you can't tell if the woman, you know what I mean, want a man or whatever, cause the last relationship when Pretty Dan did Pretty Dan said up girl, you did a date man, you know what I mean, and I date she at the same time. You see me? So that's one of the things that cause the relationship to mash up too. You understand? So people, the relationship with Pretty Dan and his wife, they toxic, yeah man, for a long time. So eventually this did go happen, them did go separate, cause remember, you know, Pretty Dan did go sit down in a jail for putting hand upon the woman, you know, upon his wife, you know. Remember, you know. You see me? So the relationship, they toxic. You know what I mean?
We don't have time for write down nothing because I not gonna remember good now. And we are tell read my youth. You know me blood clot block you. You must know some blood clot recorded the retarded and I take order over here. Me kick you off of this blood clot and you come on another bomber clot page. You got college with me, you give me blood clot degree, you did help me pay off bomber clot fed loan to all. But read my youth, who you talk to? I will remove you from this blood clot and you will learn some grow with my granny. So when me grow with my granny, speak when blood clot spoke into. Remember said the last day I'm off in the class. Last week. The person tell me relax. Hold on. Remove from the blood clot yet live. Have a good night, all. Back to the segment. I told you, motherfuckers, y'all don't learn. When somebody tap you on your hand and say, you better stop. You're supposed to listen. Thank you. And not even block them nastiness, me remove them from the life. So me do them. Everybody ready? Soon to be ex-wife. Hey, Amber. Listen, I don't like when people tell me to calm down. It triggers me. I will remove you from the live respectfully. Baga TV, my workplace. I'm only reading for you. Soon to be ex-wife. Someone sent me this video, and I normally don't comment on videos, nor I watch these videos nor have I watched this video in its entirely. But from the comments, I can tell that she has lied about many things. We did not end on good terms, and I have tried my hardest to keep things off the internet. She has dissed me time to time again all over her stories on social media that many people may not have seen because she quickly removed them. I have dealt with her manipulation for a long time, and this is just another tactic to create a narrative because I was adamant that we could not work things out, and I truly just want to be left alone. Come here, like say you have educated girl, though. You're a good girl. You have sense to me like that. Like I've asked for numerous times, she want to be left alone numerous times. You know, she said pretty damn audience and this blood clot electric blood clot book right now. I do not hate her, but I do wish she gets the help she truly needs, as well as whatever kind of love she's searching for. But I refuse to live a toxic lifestyle behind closed doors while she parades me around like she loves me. Always over blood clots. We have people busy out on the mouth every day. Just yesterday, she admitted to only being with me for her green card. And pretty done, you have to behave yourself for like 3 years. When you get the buy a badge, and that if you do Alfredo. So buy a badge. And you have to behave yourself about divorce, because guess what? You're still not in the blood clot clear when you get the green card. Bumper walls, so they never know. Anyway, just yesterday she admitted to only being with me for her green card, and whether it is truth or a lie, love don't make you hurt people or continue to attack or provoke someone else who's unproblematic. Our not being able to reconcile has nothing to do with a man nor a woman. Venice is manipulative and controlling as well as insecure, and I could not fix situations she created and did not want to be held accountable for. You didn't want to be held accountable, you bumbo. You know, say, yo, Camille, me know, say, hey, you see you, girl. You see you, girl. Yo, I hope you find someone that's gonna love you and bring you peace. I'm not gonna say we're not perfect, because I'm not say I'm mad blood clot girl too, you know. But, me see how you hold it, mama. Me see how she did first be when you come in her life, how she did behave a certain way. And you can't tell, because if everybody look at these past couple of months, she's been acting crazy.
So, pretty Dan say, months now, she and her wife no deal. But she da one different place at her life, you know. But even a couple days ago, she did that the same house where she normally did. I do her live. So what did go on there? So the woman left, because I think of the woman apartment, you know. You see me, I say, me no know still, but pretty Dan say a months now them not there. You see it. And people, boy, me I tell you. Me no know what caused the problem in the relationship, but me no feel like Pretty Dan did a give. You know what, me not gonna say. Me not gonna say that. You see it. But as the woman say, Pretty Dan insecure, and that a part of the situation with her ex before she meet the wife. You know what I mean? She did insecure, and I be a fight them used to fight. You see me? But the next one did I give her a bun still, you know what I mean, with man. But this is something where you have to understand, say, Pretty Dan, woman give bun. You're supposed to know that as a woman. And you don't have nothing to insert, so that not supposed to bother you. You see me I say? That not supposed to bother you. So I don't know if I the same thing I go on with that next girlfriend, no, I gotta say wife. I don't know if the same thing did I go on with the wife. If Pretty Dan did feel so the wife give him bun. But the relationship did toxic long time. Remember Pretty Dan go sit down at jail, as I said before, for the wife. You know what I mean? And me have the video with she as I admit say boy she and the wife not together and no more. So me I go play that video there after this. You see what I say?
Denise is manipulative and controlling as well as insecure. And I could not fix situations she created and didn't want to be held accountable for. Marriage doesn't work that way. This isn't love and hip hop. And I refuse to play or pretend to take her disrespect as an invitation for her love to me. I am not weak or naive. I know my word. Peace. Yeah, man. Come here, big up your blood clot self. I'm glad you know your word. And you still be respectful and you still take the high road. You just make the junker know if you don't ramp with you. You just make she know say you're tired now. You're tired. No, them, Amber, this are the Momo with cuts at the yard yesterday for her. The girl tired. The girl never responds to anything that happens on social media, bro.
Yeah,
she doesn't respond to this shit. There's a whole thing of her being her saying that she went to jail for violence. She never answered. She never answered. She never answers. Everybody I wonder like where blood clot Camille. I said that girl now got answer. From she put that up, she tired. Cause you playing in her face. She played in her face.
Yo, Pretty Dan Mada still.
Blood clot business. It's all my fake blood clot business in it cock up in us. So we want day in your real business. Venice Parks. Ever your name. I feel your business one day, you know. Remember, son, if you're smart, you should have just apologize or just shut the fuck and talk about it. That's what I said. And then you on live telling niggas you divorced. She said soon to be ex-wife. Y'all not divorced. So, don't you want to go put Owen divorce some 9 months ago? I told y'all niggas to appear live. No, that's the manipulation. See that? Weird.
But people, me have to say this, like Pretty Dan Mada still, she will stay out of relationship business. Me don't know what the reason why she got the woman Yaad, figure whatever she got there to do. But she need to stay out because if she got the woman Yaad and go fight the woman or something, remember say she not born in America, you know, so them are gonna send you back to Jamaica. You see me I say? Back to Jamaica. And as far as the green card or whatever, when Momo talk about, Pretty Dan get her thing. She have her thing because she fly go Canada over the year. So if she never have it, she couldn't go Canada. You see me I say, so she get the green card and everything. You know what I mean? So I don't know if a Pretty Dan mess up and cause the woman for left, but me not lie, that was a good woman. You see me? She nice, sexy. You see it? And she quiet. She never did a come for look no social media fame of a Pretty Dan. So Pretty Dan make a good woman slip trim and you know what I mean? Although me don't know what caused the breakup, if a she did a bad or a Pretty Dan did a bad. You see me?
Camille, me have ugly Dan money. Boopsing is easy. Yeah, after the girl have her own money and got blood clot.
No man, but Pretty Dan spend money on him, you know.
I can't see that comment there.
Pretty Dan spend money on her still. Me not lie. Whole
She
heap
can
of
push
money
the
too.
girl for talk. And that she want though. Sometimes we have to learn for digression.
No man, she not go
The only
talk.
thing me I say is though, the way she blood clots steer, the way, yeah, I always have no page. After she never find a man in the first place, Camille don't want no blood clot, man. She don't want no man. And that tick me off too when me just see the narrative over there. You got no, I don't know. I don't know if that's what you're doing, because we divorced 9 months now. The same reader man where you tell everybody you're fake now. Once him say big hood now and it work out for you, all of a sudden she take hood down door. Eh? How that work? You see, you know, look at the demonic blood clot entities. You see, you know, who say Camille take her, you know, yeah, the girl says she been going to work. She said all the time that her wife goes to work and do 2 jobs. So Planka Planet, what are you talking about?
She work for you. She work for you.
What are you talking about?
I was gonna
She
say,
comes out and says
on the outside looking.
her girl always done here, always have her own money. So what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oh, she used the girl for her money.
Man, pretty damn shower that with money still, you know.
Always at work from the beginning to the end, that time. From the first door, that girl that used to bake cake and do here, always a hustle and she hustle and she always said that. So what if you are gonna know? She never need her money from the beginning. Sometimes when you stop type cream. The girl really did like her. Sometimes people have to understand, say, people are really gonna love you and people are gonna break your bumbo or break you down. So we're not go about the girl didn't want her money. Want money for what? Want money for what? From the beginning, the girl a hustler. So no. So all of a sudden now, for the hear certain narrative, it's not gonna make sense to me because I'm there on from the beginning.
True, man, she also a free.
So how you sound now? How you sound? Don't provoke me for a black your blood clot. I'm telling you some girl, my granny. I know the people I want to vote you off of the island. Want what money? And then when you have blood clot wife, you're not supposed to take care of bumbo clot wife. Eh? You're not supposed to take care of your blood clot woman.
That's true.
How it go?
I'm pretty than really spend on her still. I'm not like big woman thing.
No, you cannot say pretty than don't have money. I don't want nobody corrupting my life. So Planet, you got to go. You got to go, cause I don't know if you're really somebody that should be up here under your real page. But anyway, guys, if you want to send in a request, you can send a request before I goes. Who dead now? From me see the blood clotting, then me start feel away. Camille, I hope you find nothing but love and peace, bro. Sometimes people are just our lessons. Don't make nobody change you. That's a fact. Magabaga TV, me about to post it, cause that long. Watch out.
Alright, so I'm gonna play a piece of this. You know what I mean? This is when them ask Pretty Dan about him wife or something and thing. And him, you know what I mean, give them an answer. You see? So let me play, me gonna hear what him say. What she has.
Me not gonna say that, cause me not date nobody.
Yeah, just
so, you see me and say, me just clarify, so me and the lady is not together. You understand me? There's an utmost respect for her. You see me? I said, yeah man, what if I respect? I want to Omar. Alright Omar, you get seen. Fucking idiot. I don't know why some of them waste money like to be seen like that, dog.
As a man.
As a man, some of them just no fuck, dog. Like, some of the money worse than the girl.
Some of the time, most
dog, like, them just chat too much, dog. Like, you see me? Buckler, single eye fit me door. I see I'm clean for a one day. You don't know. Oh, and that's why Pretty so clean for a one day. Yeah.
That's lucky part.
Yeah, I'm just focus on my craft, you know. Yeah, I'm happy, man. I'm auntie, man. My auntie, yo, one thing with my auntie, you know, man, me have an auntie B there. Auntie B make sure everything alright for me. You see me, I say, when time me I go through my darkest time, then you see she come over here, send me my lion. When you're looking at me, Zell, she send me $1,000. Go to the game, niece. Go watch the game and enjoy yourself today. Yeah, man, I love my auntie, dog. You see me, I love my auntie. So don't worry about it, my niece. Life is life. This is just life. Don't be hard. Auntie! We are going to be in the yard. See me, auntie love me, man.
Alright, so most people good as watch this. Me just want, you know what I mean, me couldn't hear some of the things where she did. I say she went on for say more, but it up on social media and you can't find it. You know what I mean? When them ask her, you know, the first part, I don't think couldn't hear that part there. When them ask her, she has say, you know what I mean, come must find somebody else already, and she you know hear when she say she not have nobody, you know what I mean? She went on in the life, he said, boy, she a look her, you know what I mean, she a look some FUCK on the life, you know what I mean? I'm pretty than I say she happy and whatever. It's been months, you know what I mean? So maybe she move on already. You see me I say, but leave in the comment, me know what I think, alright, just so me I got any people.